Welcome to Inside Kitchen Stories. Today, we're making a classic Italian-American dish, chicken scarpariello. Often called Shoemaker's chicken, this dish became famous in New York's Italian-American kitchens for being quick, hearty, and full of flavor. Tangy vinegar, sweet peppers, juicy chicken, and savory sausage come together to make a mouth-watering recipe. Let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 kilograms bone-in chicken pieces, thighs, and drumsticks. 200 g Italian sweet sausage. 1 medium onion, sliced. 1 red and 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. For garlic cloves, crushed. 2 to 3 hot cherry peppers, optional. For heat, 1/2 cup dry white wine, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar. 1 cup chicken broth, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary and oregano. Olive oil, salt, and black pepper to taste. Cooking steps. Brown the chicken. In a large skillet, heat olive. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, and brown on both sides until golden. Remove and set aside. Cook the sausages. In the same pan, cook the sausages until nicely browned. Remove and set aside. Build the flavor base. Add onions, bell peppers, and garlic to the pan. Saute until softened and lightly caramelized for that deep flavor. Deglaze and simmer. Pour in the white wine to deglaze, scraping up all the brown bits from the bottom. Add red wine vinegar, chicken broth, and fresh herbs. Combine and finish. Return the chicken and sausages to the pan. Cover and simmer on medium heat for about 25 minutes, until the chicken is fully cooked and tender. Add cherry peppers at the end for a tangy, spicy kick. Tips and serving. Chicken scarpariello is traditionally served with crusty bread or over pasta, but it pairs beautifully with roasted potatoes as well. Adjust the vinegar for a sharper or milder taste, and if you can't find cherry peppers, jalapenos or green chilies work as a substitute. And there you have it, the classic Italian-American chicken scarpariello. A perfect balance of tangy, savory, and spicy flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Inside Kitchen Stories, give this video a like, and share it with your friends and family. See you again with another delicious recipe. Buon appetito!